Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your existing account on the CSR Racing game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you log out from your account from within the game, then you might notice that some of your login information is still saved. So in order to prevent this, long press on the CSR Racing game icon and then tap on the info button at the top right. You will then be taken into the application info page for the CSR Racing 2 game. Now from this page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on OK to stop the application first. Then scroll down and tap on storage, and now from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner. You will now need to tap on the delete button, which will delete all of your user data that is saved within the CSR Racing game. Once you tap on this and reopen the game, you will notice that you have completely been logged out from your game and you will need to log back in once again. And there you have it. That is how you can log out from your account on the CSR2 Racing game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.